Happy Halloween, ghouls and goblins. Everybody thinks being a vampire is all parties and helpless villagers. Dracula Inc. employs thousands around the world for research and development, logistics, and undead services. I'm responsible for Dracula's security, and let me show you how I can manage that. Using Clear Skye's IGA, we can review access on a regular basis across the entire enterprise, digging into each point of access and determining risk of individuals who have it. Let's start with the highest risk, which is the coffin room, the place Dracula sleeps and is most vulnerable. Looking at the coffin room, the decor is amazing and perfect for his taste. Clicking into the coffin room, I can see that Dracula and Vampira should maintain their access. It is their room. But we're going to be removing the mummy for not paying rent and not cleaning up after himself. Moving on to the next room, the dining room, where we have our dinners. We'll keep both Dracula and Vampira. Taking a look outside at the graveyard, we have Charles the Gravedigger. Charles has been with us a very long time, and I can see other decisions we've made in the past, including trying to remove Charles, but he keeps on coming back. We're gonna go ahead and disable his access once again. And we'll go ahead and keep Dracula and the zombies. Moving into the kitchen, it looks like Dracula has access for his midnight snacks. We have Karen and Ken, who are on the menu for dinner tonight. And what is this, Van Helsing? A vampire hunter? Access to the kitchen? He will surely be putting garlic in the dinner. Let's make sure that's taken away. Taking a look at the lab where our research occurs. The Bride of Frankenstein and Frankenstein's monster. Victor, our evil scientist, does great work and will maintain Dracula's access also. Going back to the village where Karen and Ken's hometown. And of course, Van Helsing can stay in the village as long as he doesn't come to the mansion. And of course, the Witch's Lab in Palm Springs, where Dracula likes to visit on vacation. Tammy doing great research for the team. And that's all for this quarter. We've completed our access review. We've reduced risk. We've kept Dracula secure. Until next time, enjoy your happy Halloween.